Okay, I have opened my Cisco packet tracer. This is the topology I have created for the CCNA course. Here we will use all the components which we need to cover in CCNA. So now we are talking about switches. So I will open the switch and I will do the basic configuration of the switch. I have opened the switch. I have typed the enable and enter privilege mode, and then I will go into the global configuration mode, type config terminal, click enter. Now we are in global configurations mode. So in organizational, if you receive the new switch or you can replace the old switch to the production environment, we need to do some important configurations. Okay, so the basics configuration of this, that basic configuration only we'll talk about today's session. So let's go into the topic. So now I configure the host name of the switch. This is the access layer switch, so I put name access layer 4. Okay. Second, we need to enable the password for entering the switch. So enable secret. Go at 1 2 3. So now we need to configure the telnet and console access. So I type line vty 015, enter password tell at 1 2 3, click enter, login, exit. Okay, now we'll go to the console, line console 0, click enter, password at 1 2 3, enter, login, click enter, exit. Now you have successfully configured the host name, enabled the secret password, enabled the VTY configuration and console configuration. Now we'll secure the VTY access. So we'll create an IP access list. IP access list. Telnet access. Enter. I forgot to enter the type of. Okay. Standard. I mistake the standard telnet access. Click enter. Now we'll give the IP address. Oh, sorry, we need to give permit or deny because we create the access list. So I give permit 192.168.1.100. This IP address only should access that telnet access. So I given the IP address permit and then click exit. Now we have created the access list. Second, we need to assign the access list to the telnet group. So again I will do line vty 015, enter, access class. So access class will create telnet access. Okay, because we need to select in or out. Okay, So what we can do, I will click in because incoming traffic only, in, exit. So now we have successfully configured the name of the switch. Then we have enabled the secret password, configure line VTY, telnet access, console access. Security reasons, we have created the access list. Then we need to create some basic like management IP address. One is the management IP address, so I given IP address 192.168.1.50 255.255.255.0. Exit. Then we have configured the management IP address, so we need to configure IP default gateway 192.168.1.100 we have one already, so 150 I given. IP default gateway we have configured. So then what is the important topics? We'll configure NTP server 8.8.8.8, whatever we can give. So I given the Google DNS CNTP server, so click enter. So we have almost configured all the pre-requirement, and then before we need to deploy the switch, this and all the must configurations we need to do. If some of the organization they are using VTP, so that time we need to do the VTP configurations, and then VTP we need to select the switch is VTP domain or server or client. So transparent, so three type of VTP. In VTP we will take another session, we will talk about entire VTP theory and VTP topology. So now this is the basic configurations what we need to do in the first switch. Will replace the new switch, or we can replace the production switch. So this is the basic configurations. So for last step, we will configure all the things, but we'll miss some basic stuffs in the live environment. What we can miss means we didn't save these configurations. So this if we are not, if you didn't save this configuration means it will just store running in running configuration only. Once that power has been gone or some of the physical issues, that switch has been restarted, this entire configuration has been erased and it's boot up with the press configuration. So if you need to remember must, once your all configuration has been done, you should save the configuration. Okay, so it's just like WR right. So now it's our configuration has been stored writing in that one. So it's almost completed successfully. Thanks for watching.